how to create a high converting landing page on Kajabi in 2024. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to create a high converting landing page on Kajabi in 2024. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Kajabi website on your PC or laptop. After that, log in or sign up to your account, then you'll be redirected to this page. So what you need to do is click on website located in the side menu. Now click on pages, then on landing tab. Accordingly, click on new landing page. From here, you can select any template for your landing page or you can also edit by your own. Click on lead generation page wizard for a simple 3-step process landing page. Here you just need to add the logo and customize color or fonts. Then click on continue. At second step, you'll be able to write content on page. Now set up your social links if available. Next, click on finish button. So that's how you can create a high converting landing page on Kajabi in 2024. That's all for this video.